talking to you. I thought we'd be smarter. I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different.
We're back! Welcome to my canal. My name is Anna and this is Stacy.
Atina
And the Gringa are back. We are here at Gozalandia in San Sebastián, and we just got here and we're gonna show you some waterfalls here. It's a little trail. They're not so long, so it's not a super hike. So don't think you're gonna hike a mountain. I know she loves hiking.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna take a trail, and there are two waterfalls, like a main one supposedly is to the left, and then there's another one to the right. So we'll see what we'll do. If we go to the left, well, we're going to the left first.
northeast, southwest.
I have no idea. Left. Let's just go left, and then we'll see if we go to the other one after. This is where you start. Let's go. You can hear some banging here. They're doing some construction over there, and right over there. So there's a lot of boom, boom, bam, bam. I could hear the water somewhere around here. I have my singing that song. Did it all for the nookie.
I said rollin', rollin'.
Oh, you said rolling, rolling. I started. I did it all for the nookie. Come on, the nookie. Come on, so you could get that cookie and stick it up your. So I think this is where you have to decide if you're going left or if you're going right. So main waterfall, I believe, is this way, and the other one is over here. So I think we're gonna do left first. You could go through there, but this is so you can look out. Trash lady?
Yes.
There's something there. What do you want to do about it? What's your slogan again?
No.
What was your
If you leave trash, don't litter, because I'll pick it up.
Intimidating. Come, Stacy.
Changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different. Makes me wanna.
Gotta put on my water shoes. Got some people here now, and I don't think I'm going in. This thing is so cold. It's freezing. It's freezing, like, and it's kind of not hot here either. There are fish here. There's Stacy. She got in. It's very slippery. It's almost 11 a.m. and now there's people here. Good thing we came early. We are done with this waterfall, but we're gonna go to the other waterfall. So that one, I think we gotta walk a little bit more. So we gotta go up these stairs and walk a little bit. So let's go. Let me tell you, going up is a hike. It's very steep and I'm out of breath. And I work out and I play tennis and paddleball. So, and I'm out of breath. I swear that wasn't me. Here comes Stacy. Hey, Stacy.
What's up?
Well, at least she learned the word huepa in the last video.
I sure do. And come mierda.
Come mierda, she knows that too. Keep going up. A few minutes. Oh, here comes the dog again. I see it and I hear it. We're finally at the second waterfall. We're right there. It's like a little cave over there. And there's the rope. You see the rope right there? Is she contemplating getting on the rope and jumping on the water? That is the question. The dilemma is she could barely reach because she needs to get on this rock. So when she swings, she doesn't fall on that rock. So she's trying to climb up so she can reach it.
You have to open there.
Hold on, let me move. This little adventure here at Gozalandia. Had fun, Stacy?
Had fun.
Yeah, so I don't know where we're going to next, but I'm sure we're gonna plan our next adventure.
We'll find something.
Yes, but I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel and Stacy Hallbecker's channel. And I'll see you in I'll see.
We'll see you later.
You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let
Okay, so fun facts for you. I'm gonna say one and Stacy's gonna say one. My fun fact is that, did you know that Stacy was born when I was in middle school, okay? That's how old I am. Dinosaur status, okay?
13-year difference.
Yes, isn't that crazy? 13-year difference.
But
Wow.
obviously you can't even tell.
You cannot tell, right? What wrinkles?
What wrinkles? Exactly. There's not a single wrinkle on her face.
I do. Ah! We're dying. People are gonna think I'm a bad driver, but I'm really not.
The road is insane.
Yeah, the road is, and I drive
Where's
a little
my handle?
fast. And look at those potholes, you see, and I don't take them.
Ready.
Here we go.
I'm ready. Okay. Fun fact about Anna and I, we both share the same love. I guess we could maybe call it like a slight obsession.
Yeah, addiction.
An addiction. We love cereal.
Oh my God, yes.
Cereal. Oh my gosh, we found this out the last time we hung out with each other, that we both love eating cereal, like for any meal of the day.
Lunch, dinner, breakfast,
Dessert,
you name it.
you name it.
Yeah,
you know?
I love it. I love it.
You know, I do love long walks down the cereal aisle.
How romantic.
I'm
in Puerto
trash
Rico.
girl.
You should thank her because she's like the trash lady in Puerto
Yeah.
Rico. I call her the trash lady.
Don't litter, because I will pick it up.
Hit her elbow now.
Where?
We are here in Gozalandia in the town. We are here. We are in. We are here. We are at. So this is how I drink water here. I'm lazy. Well, I could put this up, right? But it's too much a struggle. So
This is just
I don't
chaos.
need to take it out. You know.
Stay hydrated.
And I'll see you in my next. That is it for now. I'll see you, and I'll. Why are you looking over there?
I heard something.
Ready? Yeah. That is it for now. Not the front wheel, the back wheel.
Takes the potholes in the back.
That sounds bad. And we almost died.
That was like Final Destination.
The truck was like coming towards us, and all of a sudden it was like closer and closer, and I'm like, ah!
You're changing our colors again and again.